Hi, if you have trouble with parking, this might help you. You can see proper parking from several perspectives.
Day parking between two cars on the left in reverse. Signal left as you drive beyond the selected parking spot. And stop when your left shoulder is aligned with the third white bay line. Select reverse and move backward slowly while steering left, aiming to target the imaginary central line of the space. Use your outside mirrors to continuously check lateral clearance on both sides. You should position the rear of your car aligned with the central line of the space. On completing the exercise, apply handbrake. In case the position of your car is not correctly aligned, adjust your position by moving back and forth.
More perspectives, practice tasks, all in one app. Use the app, practice, let parking be a piece of cake.